Ziggle Wiggles, look around, toys are everywhere. Time to tidy up the treehouse, everybody share. It's clean up time, put your things away. Clean up time, then we'll go and play. Pick it up and put it back, every single thing. Cleaning up is so much fun when everybody sings. Beaver stacks the building blocks up neat and tall and straight, one by one upon the shelf. His tidy tower's great. Stack, 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 put them back. Beaver puts the blocks away. Clickety-clack. Four little bunnies hopping round, picking up their toys, filling up the toy box fast. What a happy noise! Hop, 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 in they drop. Bunnies fill the toy box up, right up to the top. Ellie lifts the heavy things with her mighty trunk up onto the highest shelf. Nothing left to dunk. Lift, 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 big and strong. Ellie helps us put away what doesn't belong. Foxy sweeps the floor so clean with a swish, swish, swish. Hedgehog dusts the little shelves as sparkly as you wish. Sweep, 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 dust, 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 dust. Making everything shine bright is a must, must, must. Owl looks around the tidy room with her great big eyes. Everything is put away. What a super surprise! Look, 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 every nook. The treehouse is as tidy as a picture book. It's clean up time, put your things away. Clean up time, now we'll go and play. Every toy is in its place, every single thing. Ziggle Wiggles cleaned it up when everybody sings. Hooray! Now the treehouse is all clean, the tidiest you've ever seen. La la la, Ziggle Wiggles say, clean up time, then time to play. Ziggle Wiggles, look around, toys are everywhere.